Hey guys, I know it's been a long time. I'm so sorry for being inconsistent, but you know what? I'm always inconsistent. Ow! I just wanted to let you guys know that my son is now 7 months old. He's gonna be 8 months this month, February. Yeah. And he's a good boy, yeah? He's been standing. Yeah. He's been trying to lift himself up. Yeah, look, all the drool. I know some people put like the bibs on, but he keeps ripping them off. So, and the bibs, it's so stupid. It doesn't like catch it because it's like cloth, so it goes through anyways. So it kind of defeats the purpose. Anyways, this is him. Say hi. He's a big boy now, yeah? Are you a big boy now? Yeah. I just wanted to give a little quick video because it's been a while. And I just want to say that we're doing great. Yeah? Yeah. You want to show how tall you are? Show how tall. Wow! You're such a tall boy. Yeah, tall boy. Yeah. Can you clap your hands? I'm trying to teach him how to clap his hands. Can you clap your hands? Oh, yeah. Clap your hands. Ow! Ow, be nice, baby. Please be nice. Be nice. No, don't touch the phone. Don't touch the phone. Don't touch the phone. Don't touch it. He's so sweet. Alright, I just want to give a quick video. I do want to film a video of like what I've been dealing with as a new mother. Yeah, but I don't want to do it with him because I don't want to say things in front of him, you know? But I also want to just express how I feel and that maybe I could help other new moms or new moms to be, you know? Or other moms that has more than one child. Things like that. You're talkative, yeah? Are we gonna make a YouTube channel for you? Life of Campy? Yeah. Wow. Can you say mama? Can you say mommy? Say mommy. Mommy. Huh?
Can I get more copies of these?
Sure.